This little metal arch is called a thread guard, and today I'm going to show you how to attach it to the top of your earring to attach your earring hook to. When you reach the top of your brick stitch pyramid, thread your needle up through one side of the thread guard, through the metal tube, then slide the thread guard down to your work. Thread your needle down through the other side of the thread guard and through the top left row of beads in your brick stitch. Keep an eye on your thread when you're pulling tight to ensure the thread sits in the groove of the thread guard. Next, thread up through the top right beads in your brick stitch and the right side of the thread guard. Pull tight. Then once more down through the left side of the thread guard and the top left beads. You can use your chain nose pliers to gently squeeze the top of your thread guard to better match the size of your brick stitch. From here, you're ready to tie off or weave through to start your fringe. Don't forget to save this video for later and stay tuned for more tutorials, tips, and tricks.